Hi everyone, CutieVamp here, and before the video starts, I would like to put out a disclaimer for any of my future videos that I'm not really a family-friendly channel. Now, the reason for that is I do tend to curse, and will be cursing more in my videos now, especially due to the FTC regulation. That's going to be in effect, I believe, in January. No, I'm definitely not family-friendly. I do curse a lot, and well, guess what? I draw lewd art, and I'm not going to stop doing that. And if you are no longer wanting to watch my channel or whatever, then that's okay. But just be warned that in the future, I am going to be a little bit more out there starting now. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah. Hi, so today's video, we're going to go over how to get over art block. Now, what I do may not work for other people, but you know, as long as it helps even just one person, it'll make me super happy, and I just like trying to help everybody out. And when I have had art block, it's usually due to my fucking depression or my just inability to get my hand-eye coordination working properly. Like, I'll go and draw something and then the lines just aren't doing what I want to do, so I'll have to totally scrap what I was thinking of drawing just because I can't get it on paper. And another thing is also, like, when I have an idea in my head and as I'm drawing it out, it just doesn't translate exactly how I want it, so I'm just like, nope, I'm fucking done, I can't do it, no, I'm over it. So I figured out 3 steps to help me cure my art block. And like I said before, it may not work for everybody, but yeah, so hopefully it helps, even just a little bit. I like to listen to music. That's like the first thing I try to do when I'm trying to get over art block. I'll listen to some music, and mostly I like cutesy, happy music. And when I listen to songs like that, it just fills me with like a lot of like happiness, and I don't know why, but instantly I just get ideas of what to draw in my head based on what that song is about usually. Recently I do like to listen to PiNKII or Natalia Natchan, and same person. Just disclaimer, same person. But yeah, I love listening to her music, and it's just so up and peppy, and it just, oh, it's so cute. It really gets me in the mood to draw, like, immediately, and I'm just, like, listening to the song over and over as I'm drawing, and I absolutely love doing that, and it just helps so much. And another thing, too, with music is, like, listening to old songs that I grew up with when I was a kid or in high school. Like My Chemical Romance, I know they're coming back, and I'm super excited. Too bad I can't get no ticket or anything to go see them. I wish. Maybe once I get back in America, I'll definitely try and get a concert if they stick around long enough. Now, I do also like to do video games and looking at other people's art online. Now, when I'm playing video games, I play stuff like, you know, Danganronpa and any anime type art games. I do love those the most. They give me great ideas, especially with the storyline and whatnot. And I get ideas in my head of little things that I can draw based on what I listened to. I'm just like, oh, that would make a cute picture for like my character doing this or whatever, or my friend's character doing this, and I love doing that. Now with the others art type of thing, I do like scrolling through Twitter, and then I'm following a lot of Japanese artists and whatnot. And I do like to get some inspiration from them, whether it's based on the poses that the characters are doing, the colors, or even the character that they're drawing. If it's a nice character and it's a nice OC, I might do some fan art for them because I'm a fan art artist. I love doing fan art. Now, that doesn't mean take somebody's drawing and completely replicate it. I mean, you can do that. That's fine, as long as you just do it for yourself and don't really share it or put it out there. unless you be like, hey, I did this based on this character, but it's my character in the same exact pose and everything, and you just give a little shout out to the original artist for that. I'm sure they wouldn't mind as long as you give them like some credit for their work as well. And memes as well. Memes are great for getting out of an art block. You can go online, find a really cool meme, and just redraw that meme, but with like your own characters and your own art, and even your friends' characters. Like, do some fan art for your friends. It's always fun. You guys probably always see me doing fan art of Hopeless Peach's character, and I just love her, and she's so cute, and her character just gives me great inspiration to draw so many fun things, especially with the Discord conversations. I'll leave a link to her Discord down below. It's amazing. Everybody's super friendly, and you guys would all get along. And you'll also get some more tips and tricks on how to like get over art block, how to draw tutorials and stuff. There's little sections in her Discord as well about that. Now, the last thing that I do, like, this is the last resort thing, when I'm absolutely stuck. I don't have any new music to listen to. Nobody's art online is inspiring me or anything. So guess what? I go off and IRL, I go into the real world, and I will sit down and go to a coffee shop or go walk around the mall and stuff and get inspired by like food and fashion and clothing and everything. Like, I might see like some cool advertisements, because I am in Japan, so they do have some really cool advertisements, and you know, I just take inspiration from those things, especially clothing, because I see so much amazing fashion here. I can take that, what I see, and translate it back on a paper. I don't take a sketch pad or anything with me. I probably should start doing that, but I usually try and memorize it so that when I'm replicating it on my own thing, I'm not 100% copying it, because I don't fully remember what it looked like. But yeah, that's exactly what I have to do to get over my art block. And I really, really hope these tips and tricks do help somebody else. I hope it helps one of you guys, because art block isn't fun. It's not fucking fun at all. But, you know, everybody goes through it, and it's always great to talk to other artists and whatnot about what they do to get over it. There's plenty of people who can give you tips and tricks on it. And like I said before, if mine helps even just one person, I'm happy. So I want to do a thank you to everybody, and thank you so much for watching. And a huge thanks, because I now have 100 subscribers. I want to give a huge thanks to Hopeless Peaches. She did help me get the majority of those, and I'm so happy. She's such an amazing person, amazing friend. I love her so much. She's definitely like my little sister, but it's alright. She's talented. She's definitely talented, and you guys should go check her out. I'll leave a little card or whatever to link to her channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my channel. And if you could leave a comment about what you would like me to do a video on next. It can be about anything. I don't care. I'm not shy. And yeah, please subscribe if you're new. Like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next time I upload. I try to upload at least once a week, sometimes twice a week if you're lucky. And yeah, thank you so much for staying this long into my channel. And yeah, Johnny.